Welcome to Wings and Wheels Travel. Today, we're heading to one of the most breathtaking destinations in the UK-Wales. Known for its rugged landscapes, medieval castles, and rich culture, Wales has something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 13 places you must visit on your trip to this enchanting country. Number 1 is Cardiff. Cardiff, the vibrant capital of Wales, is our first stop. Dive into history at Cardiff Castle, a landmark with over 2,000 years of heritage. Marvel at the juxtaposition of medieval architecture and Victorian Gothic interiors. Then, head to the Principality Stadium, a haven for sports enthusiasts, where you can take a behind-the-scenes tour. Don't miss Cardiff Bay, a revitalised waterfront featuring the iconic Wales Millennium Centre and plenty of spots to relax and enjoy the views. Number 2 is Snowdonia National Park. Snowdonia National Park is a paradise for adventurers. Home to Mount Snowdon, the tallest peak in Wales, it offers an array of hiking trails suited for all skill levels. Prefer a scenic ride? Hop aboard the Snowdon Mountain Railway and enjoy breathtaking views without breaking a sweat. Don't forget to visit Bettws-y-Coed, a charming village known for its stone bridges and woodland trails. Number 3 is Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. The Pembrokeshire Coast is where dramatic cliffs meet serene beaches. Discover St. David's, the UK's smallest city, and its stunning cathedral. For beach lovers, White Sands Bay is a dream, offering golden sands and surf-friendly waves. Feeling adventurous? Try coasteering, a thrilling activity that lets you explore the rugged coastline up close. Number 4 is Portmeirion Village. Step into a fairy tale at Portmeirion Village, a unique Italianate-style retreat in North Wales. This colourful and quirky destination feels like it's straight out of a movie set. Wander through its lush gardens, explore boutique shops, and take in the serene views of the Dwyred estuary. It's a place like no other. Number 5 is Conwy. Conwy is a medieval town brimming with charm. Its centerpiece, Conwy Castle, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers panoramic views from its towers. Walk along the town's well-preserved walls or visit the smallest house in Great Britain, a quirky spot that's sure to delight. Number 6 is Brecon Beacons National Park. The Brecon Beacons is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike through rolling hills, discover hidden waterfalls like Henridge Falls, and immerse yourself in the park's natural beauty. As an international dark sky reserve, it's also a perfect spot for stargazing. Number 7 is Llandudno, the queen of Welsh resorts. Llandudno captures the charm of a classic seaside town. Take a leisurely walk along the Victorian promenade, ride the historic Great Orme tramway, or enjoy spectacular views from the Great Orme summit. The pier is a family-friendly highlight, offering arcades, food, and stunning coastal views. Number 8 is Aberystwyth. Aberystwyth blends history with modern culture. Explore the remnants of Aberystwyth Castle. Learn about Welsh heritage at the National Library of Wales. Take a ride on the Vale of Rheidol Railway for awe-inspiring countryside views. Number 9 Hay-on-Wye. Hay-on-Wye, the town of books, is a dream for literary enthusiasts. Home to over 20 bookshops, it's the perfect place to find a hidden gem. Visit during the Hay Festival to experience one of the world's most famous literary events, or simply enjoy the town's quaint charm. Number 10, Anglesey, an island paradise. Anglesey offers a mix of nature and history. Explore Llanberis Castle, a masterpiece of medieval architecture, or take a walk along the Anglesey coastal path for sweeping views of the sea. The South Stack Lighthouse is a highlight, perched dramatically on a cliff. Number 11, Caernarfon Castle. Caernarfon Castle is a fortress steeped in history. Built by Edward I, it played a crucial role in Wales' medieval history. Its imposing structure and beautiful location by the River Seant make it a must-see for history buffs and photographers alike. Number 12 is Rhossili Bay. Rhossili Bay, located on the Gower Peninsula, is a slice of paradise. Consistently ranked among the UK's best beaches, it offers miles of golden sands and dramatic coastal views. Take a walk along the Worm's Head for some of the most stunning scenery in Wales. Number 13, Llanberis. Llanberis is the perfect gateway to Snowdonia. Visit the National Slate Museum to learn about Wales' slate industry. Explore Dolbadarn Castle for a glimpse of medieval Wales. Or enjoy the serene beauty of Llanudno, a glacial lake ideal for kayaking or picnicking. Wales is a land full of wonders, and these are just 13 of the incredible places you can visit. Whether you're looking for adventure, history, or a peaceful retreat, you'll find it here. Which spot are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.